Watching a movie on YouTube TV is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm gonna teach how you guys can watch a movie on YouTube TV. Now YouTube TV lets you watch movie if you buy the movie. So how can you buy the movie that you can watch at the YouTube TV? In order to do that, you simply have to go to your YouTube app on your smart TV, which should be YouTube TV. And there you have to, search for movie. But if you want to browse, you can simply search for movies. After searching for movies, you simply have to select the movie that you're going to watch, and there you'll be able to see two options. One should be rent, the other one should be buy. Now it depends upon the movie what option you get. So you just need to select the various option, and after that you have to confirm your payment method. They will want you to put your payment method and your payment will be confirmed. They might ask you to log into another device like your computer or your Android device, and to buy the movie in that device you just need to go to tv.youtube.com and you have to log into your account, same account you have logged into your TV, buy the movie, and afterwards you will easily be able to watch it on your YouTube TV from your TV or any other device. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.